the Club Secretary of Quezon City Maharlika Lions Club, an active and duly chartered Lions Club of District 301 E1 and in good standing, that I hereby serve on January 29, 2026 at Cafe Dominique, Quezon City, during the board meeting passed and adopted unanimously and special resolution endorsing the candidacy of Robert M. Kasaway, an active member in good standing of Quezon City Maharlika Lions Club for the position of Second Vice District Governor for year 2026 and to 2027, that this special resolution of endorsement is valid, existing, and in full force and effect. In witness whereof, I have here unto set my hand this day of March 11, 2026,